Ina kwana, ina wuni, ya gajiya. Welcome to my Hausa class today. Today we'll be looking at items in the classroom. Let us look at classroom. We'll be starting with teacher. So, teacher, malami, malami, malama, malami, malama. Students, pupil, dalibi, dalaba, yaran makaranta, yaran makaranta. Book, littafi, littafi. Paper, paper, takada, takada. Pencil, 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 pencil. Table, table, table. Chair, kujera, kujera. Board, alo, alo. School bag, school bag. Jaka makaranta, jaka. Jaka is actually bag. So when you say school bag, jaka makaranta, because school is makaranta. School, makaranta, makaranta. Clock, agogo, agogo. Desk, tasha, tasha. Paint. You know we use paint in school to paint artwork and all those things. So paint, painty, painty. Library, library. Gidan karatu, gidan karatu. Karatu is reading. Karatu means to read. So karatu, read, study. So gida is house. Gidan karatu, library. Maka, al-kaluma, al-kaluma, al-kaluma. I said board is alu. So we know we have blackboard and we have whiteboard. So whiteboard is faring alu, faring alu. Baking arrow, baking alu. Blackboard, baking alu.